Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to apply for jobs on Indeed on mobile. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and download the official Indeed mobile application if you want. It isn't necessary, but it will make things easier. So you can go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. If you're on Android, open up the Play Store and you want to go ahead and click the search bar. So what we want to search is for Indeed. After searching for Indeed, guys, in the results right here, you will be able to find the Indeed application. So as you can see, currently I do not have Indeed because I'm not from the USA, but if you are in the USA, you'll find the application right here and you'll be able to download it. So after downloading it, guys, you can then go ahead and open it up on your mobile phone and it will look exactly like this. So if you do not want to download the application, you can access Indeed directly from your internet browser. Go ahead to whatever internet browser you use and type in Indeed.com and it will take you to this page right here. So as you can see in this new page, right at the home page, doesn't matter if you're in the application or internet browser, you'll be able to search for the job that you want. So in the first area, you can search for what kind of job you want. Let's say we want something hiring immediately, and after selecting hiring immediately, the next thing we can do guys is to go ahead and select what area we want to search for. I'm going to select New York. And after that, after selecting all of this will now give you a list of all the jobs that are hiring immediately in New York, and you can find and browse all of these jobs and apply to whichever you want. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how do you get started with doing that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.